I want to be the best there ever was. To beat all the rest, yeah, that's my cause. Electro, Diglett, Knitter, and Mankey, Venusaur, Rattata, Fearow, Pidgey, Seeking, Jolteon, Dragonite, Ghastly, Ponyta, Vaporeon, Poliwrath, Butterfree. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon, what's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today's episode, ba-ba-da-da, Pokemon. What? Pokemon? No way. Yeah, there's Pokemon on this channel, and I just went to the store. I took my Twitch check, literally. I took my check from Twitch, and I went to my local comic book shop, and I was like, give me some packs. So thank you for supporting me on Twitch, because it's helping my YouTube channel. I picked up a bunch of Unified Minds. My microphone is definitely going to get booped in that direction. Okay. I picked up 8 Unified Minds packs and 4 Burning Shadows because I'm not giving up on the dream of finding a Charizard. So, let's see, how do we do this? First off, I'm going to separate these into... Okay, we got art set, that's this many. So we put one here, right? And then here, and then here, and then here. Got it? Are you down? You down to clown? Can you see that? Is it on the camera? Perfect! Let's get started. So today was a pretty cool day. I posted my update video. This is Monday. For those of you in the future Kwikpanik. Oh, well that's a dang shame. So they put them different ways in this box. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fairy. I posted a non-pack opening video, and people liked it. That was kind of weird. Steenie! We got ourselves an Azelf, a Lickitung, Dowebble, Muna, Pika! I love this Pikachu art. This is amazing. We got ourselves a Bidoof, a Great Potion. Apparently this is decent. And the rare. This Unfezant. Weird, we didn't know that was going to be a total bust. I wish, I know I say this every other episode. Maybe I'm the only one who cares because I'm a content creator, but I hate when the code card is not consistently presented on the right side because they have to go through 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's psychic, it's not poison, it's not ghost. They have to spoil what's in the pack. Like, why give me green codes and silver codes? Misty's Favor, Noctowl, drawn by Kwikpanik as a 3-year-old, Tranquil, Finneon. What do you guys think about that in the comment section? Tell me, how do you feel about the code card spoiling things? Maybe you, as a collector and not a content creator, like to know that you're already going to get garbage, but I don't like that. That spoils the fun for me. The reverse is a Slakoth. And the rare. Meloetta. Get out of here. Wait, didn't I say 2 packs and then a Burning Shadows? That was... Oh no, I took from the top. Okay, we can fix this. We have the technology. Alright, that? Okay. Whew! I almost screwed that up. Okay, Burning Shadows. So this is an episode of Hyper Air Hunter, I've decided. 3 seconds into recording. I like the series because it's just me grabbing a whole bunch of packs and seeing what happens. And then I'm getting, like, ratios that you don't expect. When you open a box, like, you already know what you're kind of going to get. This is fun because we don't know if we're going to strike gold. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fighting. That's not rock. That's not ground. That's fighting. All right, we got Potown, Porygon 2, Weakness Policy. That's an amazing... I love Weakness Policy with Kabutops and Weak Armor because it gets hit with a super effective hit and then it becomes faster and then gets the double special attack and attack. It's amazing. Charmander... Woo, I like Alolan Rattata. That's one Alolan form. I'm going to be sad to see go in the Galar decks. We got a Panpour. Pansage, our reverse, is a super scoop up. And the rare. Mudsdale, did we get... Oh no. Did we get Sandy Cheeks? I hope not. That's a verb now. We got our Mewtwo Mew pack. Do some good, please. Huh? There's your code card. Okay, nice and blurry. Enjoy that. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fighting. We got a Cherish Ball. Apparently also a good card. Tag Switch. Elegim. This past weekend I watched the Pokemon World Championships and I was looking at the deck lists and I was like, can I make one of these decks with the cards that I have just laying around? Turns out I probably can. We got E-Electric, and the rare. High guard? Why? Okay, alright, it's gonna be fine. Nobody panic, nobody panic. Nobody. Not even me, and I'm Kwikpanik. I really like the art on some of these cards. We got lucky in the blister packs that we got to see some of these. Flip it around, pass it around. 99 code cards of Unified Minds on the wall. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fire. This pack is gonna be fire. Caracosta, great potion. We got ourselves a Noibat. A very nice Sneasel, got a Bounce Sweet. Joltik, a Salandit. The reverse is a Lickitung. And the rare. Are you flippity flopping kidding me right meow? Okay, this is the halfway point, Burning Shadows. I think Burning Shadows was done the correct way, where we were like, ba-da-da, code card. Tell me if you pull a Charizard. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's steel. It's not metal. It's steel, just for the record. We got bodybuilding dumbbells. I've pulled the secret rare of that before. Arcerola, Arcerola, Dusclops. I can say words. Caterpie, Porygon, Sock. We got ourselves an Oddish, a Char. We got ourselves a reverse holo Diancie. I've always liked this art. It's weird that it's not a holo. And the rare. Oh! Would you look at that? We got the wrong rainbow rare, but we got a Golisopod GX. I saw the rainbow rare and I had a heart attack. Oh, okay. I'm not going to let that detract from the fact that we pulled a rainbow. This is very cool. Golisopod's a very cool mon. Oh my goodness. This has some really rough edges. If this was a Charizard, I would have been upset. So this can go in the collection binder. My heart! I was like, it's the Charizard! It's Golisopod. Rainbow rare. I'm going to break this up a little bit. Just a little bit. I wanted to open, I got a package from one of my buddies who sells Pokemon cards, and he came across something really cool, and I purchased it from him. That's where the rest of my Twitch money went. This entire video is paid for by Twitch. You should follow me on Twitch, because it brings you better content here. Just for the record. So I bought something, and then he included a nice little gift to go with it. So I thought that was cool. I'm going to see if I can not spoil it, which I did. Oh, he sent me some cool stuff. Okay. I'm going to see. Can I read this? Okay, cool. I hope he doesn't mind me sharing his stuff. But my buddy Christian, I call him Vogler. His Twitch handle is 1TG Novak, so you should definitely follow him. He's a cool guy, really chill, and he likes to play some first-person shooters and other PC stuff that I don't really play. Here's this little side gift to say thanks for hosting and supporting my stream. I love you, Christian. Thank you so much. So I saw one thing in a top loader, and I've actually been wanting to purchase this for a while and get one graded. This promo was super cool. It came with the Pokemon trading card game that you got on Game Boy Color, and it's just a really it's a really cool card to me. I've always liked it, and I've recognized the art, and I don't know what this is. Ooh, he gave me a Venusaur from base set. This is my favorite starter, and thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Oh, that makes me really happy. Oh, I like the print on it too. It's kind of light. That's nice. So that's really cool. The main thing that I purchased, though, is something way cooler to me. I just destroyed the camera. Forgive. Gosh. So I purchased this. I've said this a bunch of times. Neo Genesis is my favorite set of all time, along with Team Rocket. Those two can honestly trade off, but Neo Genesis and Team Rocket, those are some amazing packs. This is a blister pack. It's cracked in the back, which, you know, whatever. I don't know if I want to open this or not. So I will let you guys decide in the comment section and by leaving likes. So if we get, I never get a lot of likes. So if we get 50 likes, I get a lot of views. I get like 100 views. So if only 50 of you decide to like this video, I will open these on a future video. Otherwise, I think I'm going to keep it sealed. But I'm going to let you decide. The power is in your hands. Let's continue. We haven't pulled a holo yet. Not even regular holo. I want it to focus. Okay. Oh, wait. We did pull a holo. I mean, out of Unified Minds. Okay. So we flipped this around. And we got ourselves a blip, 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 blip. So we actually succeeded in Hyper Rare Hunter for the first time. I think that's the first time. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's grass, it's not leaf, it's grass. We got ourselves a Cresselia. A very cool Dragonair. I know I say that every time. A Basculin, not the red one, the blue one. We got ourselves a Carablast. Honedge. Pika. A Pidoof. We got ourselves a Poiple, because he's Poiple. We got ourselves a reverse rare. Dwebble. And the rare. Oh, hello. Hello, father. Look at that. We got Naganadel GX. That's cool. I haven't pulled this one yet, and I really like this set. I was talking about completing it. So that's, I'm going to put that in a sleeve. I'm going to put that in a penny sleeve. Don't you worry about that, man. Cool. That's it's my favorite Ultra Beast, is what I was trying to say as I was trying to swallow. I had a protein shake prior to recording this video, so I've got all sorts of digestion going on. That sounds really gross. There is your code card for Unified Minds. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's dark. There's nothing to get that confused with either. We got E-Electric. Nice pun, mate. Reset stamp. Heracross. Best art in the set. Riolu by a Rainbow. A Metatite. We got ourselves a Shroomish. Slickoth. We got ourselves a Drifloon. Go read the Pokedex entry for Drifloon. You'll be terrified. Our reverse is Stadium Nav. And the rare. Yeah, I love Lightbird. But why are you my rare? All right, we got another Burning Shadows pack. We can't pull the Charizard Rainbow Rare, so that's unfortunate. But maybe we can pull another Charizard. Who knows? I only pulled 4 packs, so I can't get greedy. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. It's water. We got ourselves a Simisage, a Horlipede, Guzma. Apparently that's a good uncommon. Esper, Sock, Noibat, Stuffle. I want to shiny hunt Stuffle. It's amazing. It's a little gold bear. Mudbray. We got a reverse as Olivia. And the rare. Butterfree. Oh, it should have been a pink Butterfree in the background. Get it together, Pokemon. All right. Unified Minds. Do it for me. Do it right now. Pop the trunk. Get that away. There is your code card. Enjoy. Pull it. Something. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. It's not lightning. That is electric. We got Bibarel. Or is it Bibarel? Tornadus. Jinx. Nummel. Numel. Axew. Finion. Stunfisk. I'm not playing that game anymore. Gibble. It's Gibble. The reverse is Scrafty. He looks powerful. And the rare. Okay. Hollow Magnezone. Haven't pulled that yet, so that's a thing. Hello, Magnezone. How are you, friend? Welcome to the pile. The next one is a Unified Minds pack. Big surprise. Let me go ahead and flip this over. There's your code. Code? There's your code. Enjoy your code. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. Let's go. Weakness guard energy. Stadium Nav. Gabite. We got ourselves a Snover. A Murkrow. A Execute. A Alolan Grimer. I can't word. We got an Electros. That looks really cool. That's our reverse rare. It's good art. And the rare is a Salazzle. Wow. What was this? No, we got a GX. Okay. Last pack. It's gonna be good. I can feel it in my knees. I can feel it in my, what did I say last time? Cubone? That's a yikes. Oh, there is your code card. I was like, did I just ruin the rare? I didn't. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. That's not Poison or Ghost. That's Psychic. All right. Got a Simis here. Mount Lanakila. I'm already thinking about how I'm going to let you down with whatever the last card is, because I'm going to do my outro thing, right? And make you wait to see what the rare is. Ooh! Give me that in Hollow. That's cool Pikachu art. I love Pikachu. All right, Noibat. Our reverse. Our reverse is also a Noibat. And the rare. I'd like to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, watching my videos, and leaving likes. Remember, if you guys get to 50 likes on this video, I will open this. It's 2 unweighed packs of Neogenesis from a sealed blister dealie from back in 1902. And yeah, I'll save that just in case you guys don't meet the 50 likes. No pressure, but subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I'm bringing content on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. and on Sundays at 12 p.m. Central, and I'm streaming on Twitch on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And the rare. Hey, I didn't let you down! Oh my gosh, it's a GX. It's not amazing, but it's a GX. Look, I didn't let you down. Let your friends know I didn't let you down, and that they should subscribe to me, because I didn't let you down. This is what we got today. Cool pulls, mate. Cool pulls. That's all I've got for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.